Okay, now we are looking at the screen of what you will see on the map test, and I want to tell you about some of the features that you'll see. You'll see the questions, question one, and the text. You'll see your answer choices, and you will see some tools at the top of the screen that might help some of you. For example, you'll see the zoom. You could zoom in, zoom out. If you want to make the text look a little bit larger, if you decide you want to make it a little bit smaller, that's fine. Again, this is a tool that you might find helpful. You might decide not. Now the next tool is a highlighting tool. You'll see a picture of a highlighter, and if you highlight, it might help you focus on some of the words in the passage that you're reading. Highlight as you want, and if you want to undo the highlight, go to the next tool, which is going to be the erase highlight. When you click on it, you will see an eraser, and it will undo any highlighting that you've done. Again, it's your choice. Try it out. If you like it, use it. If it gets in your way, you are not required to use it. Nobody will know if you used it. It is just there to help you. Now, the next tool is a line highlighter tool. You can, if you'd like, focus on one line of the passage at a time. Again, if that's something that will help you, you can move these bars up and down the screen. If you want to undo it, you can. Another tool that's available. Now there's the notepad tool. If you want to enter some text, you want to write down some ideas, just to keep some ideas straight in your head, you are able to. If you want to hide that option, that tool, you can hide it. You don't lose points for using it. It's just there if it helps you. Now, the next tool is the answer eliminator tool. You have the option of saying, you know what, choice two, I know that's not the right choice. Click on it and it'll gray out. That way it won't be obvious to you. You can just focus on the choices that you think are possibilities. Right now you're looking at 1 and 3. Those are the ones that you can actually see. Now if you decide, you know what, wait, maybe choice 4 really was an option. Click on that X again and it'll come back in regular type, regular font. You can, again, you look through the choices. When you click on the one that is the one that you want, it'll be in a box and it'll be obvious that's your choice. But if this tool does not work for you, just click it, it'll go away. Now the calculator, not for the English section, but for the math section, of course, enter the numbers. You see parentheses, square root, operations down the right side, and you'll see the numbers. 5 times 6, let's say. There's no equal sign, so you enter that little arrow there, acts as the equal, and you see 5 times 6 equals 30. You want to clear it, enter it again, 5 times 6. Oh, I wrote 5 times 66. I want to delete that second 6. That X with the arrow on it will erase the last thing that you typed. So again, 5 times 6 equals 30. Great. Now, let's say I want to use that towards my next calculation. Click on that ANS key. Stands for answer. And the last answer that came up will be there. You want to add 6 to it? ANS plus 6 equals 36. You want to enter again? You have your ANS key. And let's say you want to multiply it by 3. No problem. ANS is whatever that last answer was. And you'll be able to use this calculator as best as you can. So again, these are tools. You can hide the calculator, you can hide any of the tools. The tools are there for you.